Hello friends, welcome to C4CAD. In this video, we will see how to model displayed geometry with NX. So here, as we can see, the geometry have 4 different regions and they have different heights from base. So we can model this geometry with help of bottom plan sketch. So go to NX and create a new file in NX and go to sketch and select XY plane. Now with help of profile commands, create a sketch. This is a geometry of base. Now finish the sketch and go to extrude. Select this and extrude it of 10 mm because the base height is 10 mm. Now click on apply. Now we will sketch for these 3 geometries. So go to sketch and select the upper plane of previous extrude. And now select the line command and enter 20 minus 20. Enter the length of 20. Now from this point draw one line of 20. 90. Same. Here 30. Now select line and enter point 30 minus 20 and length 40 and the angle is 270. Now close the line. Now finish the sketch. Now go to extrude and here select region boundary first and here select unite after selecting display and enter the extrude value of 10 and click on apply. Now select this region and enter the value of 20 and select apply. Now select this plane and enter the value of 30 and click on apply. So our model is ready. Now we will hide the sketch and bottom planes and apply color. Now here we will change the view to isometry. Thank you friends, the model is complete. If you enjoy this video then please subscribe my channel C4CAD.